Using an American company makes it easier to register an e-commerce platform accounts. Most e-commerce platforms have much friendlier policies for sellers from American companies. Today I will teach you step by step how to register a U.S. company online by yourself. 1. Click Let's Get You Started on the Northwest home page to start registering a U.S. company. 2. WY is the first choice state for e-commerce. If the company holds individual shares, it is recommended to choose LLC. Beneficial ownership information can be submitted for free by filling out the form on the FinCEN official website, or adding a service fee of $9. The total order amount is $139, and there will be no extra charge. The U.S. company can be successfully registered. 3. When naming a U.S. company, it is best to Google it first, so that the probability of a non-duplicate name will be greatly reduced. For company business content, if it is an e-commerce company, it can be wholesale and retail. Other types should be filled according to your own situation. P.S. The company address provided by Northwest is free to use. The first year service fee of Northwest is $0. The normal price is $125 per year, and the first year state filing is also $0. It is a great deal price. 4. Fill in the information of the company directors. 5. Contact information of the companies. 6. Fill in the Northwest account information, username, email, and password for later login accounts. 7. 90-day free trial period. You can cancel Northwest service at any time. Northwest is a good enterprise, and the after-sales service is worry-free. 8. Northwest additional service options. EIN for domestic legal entities in the United States is very cost-effective. $200 for non-domestic legal entities is a bit expensive. You can apply for an EIN by yourself. If you are pressed for time, you can use Northwest service. 9. The last one is that you could pay with Visa/Master credit card. It is recommended to pay with the Card of Directors card. 10. Northwest will send you the electronic version of the company's articles of association, shareholder ratio, and other documents. Now just wait for the good news for the establishment of the American company.